Every year, something extraordinary happens at Teamwork.com. We come together from around the world for our Grand Council in Cork, Ireland.
Hey everybody, welcome to the 2024 Teamwork.com Grand Council.
For a week, our community transforms into a vibrant festival of ideas and unity. There's keynotes.
Our North Star is our mission to make teams who deliver client work efficient, organised, profitable and happy. And we're doing that by building the best platform in the world for service teams to win.
Strategy and customer sessions.
We want to talk about when things go well, which we've heard a lot of today, but we also want to make it so it's a comfortable and safe place to share when things aren't going well, because we can't get better if we're not talking about those things.
As well as incredible guest speakers.
So we have sales and then they go to either a solution partner or an onboarding team at HubSpot that is really focused on implementing the customer tech stack inside HubSpot.
But I was able to somehow manage to funnel those negative emotions into a decision that would change the course of my life.
There's activity days, which offer a chance to connect on a deeper level.
Sir, I'm recording you. I'm getting your license plate. This is not acceptable. She is a celebrity. Leave her alone. Let her have her privacy.
The Teamwork.com Grand Council, where we celebrate teamwork and each other. Maybe we'll see you at the next one.
I assume this is all finance here because it's too cheap to pay the euro to go up to the good seats.